Okay. Welcome to Bill's Bridge Tip of the Day, Wednesday, April 3rd, 2013. We're going to have double the fun, double the pleasure with double squeezes, part 2. Some new terminology. Suppose you hold Ace King 9 of hearts opposite the 3. The 9 is a threat at the end of the Ace King. This threat, when accompanied by a singleton in the other hand, is referred to as a recessed threat. The structure leaves room in the hand with a singleton for multiple one-card menaces, which can lead to an automatic double squeeze, unlike the positional double squeeze we saw yesterday. Here's the end position of an automatic squeeze. In this case, spades are the menace in the south hand. The recess threat, Ace King 9 of hearts, is in the dummy. 3 of diamond is the suit that is used as a squeeze suit, and the other menace, also in the south hand, is the club. So we see 2 threat cards in the south hand and the squeeze card. So let's play this hand out. You lead the jack of diamonds. Now West is squeezed. He can't pitch the jack of clubs because it sets up your 10 in your hand. So he has to pitch a heart. Now North pitches the 4 of spades. He doesn't need that. That's an extraneous card. Now look at East. East is squeezed. He can't pitch the spade because that would set up the Queen of spades also in Declare's hand. So he must pitch a heart. Well, once both of them have pitched a heart, now you have 3 heart tricks. Bingo. Some points to process. The recess threat results in an automatic squeeze if, of course, the threat cards are both in the opposite hand. Each opponent is squeezed and must discard from the pivot suit. If East and West hands were reversed, this squeeze is still in effect, unlike what we saw in the hand before. And notice, of course, both threat cards, menace cards, Queen of spades and the 10 of clubs are in the hand with the squeeze card and the singleton in the pivot suit. In the following hand, diamonds are the pivot suit. Here's the hand. You are in 7 hearts. West leads the Queen of clubs. You have 12 tricks. Your 4th spade is a potential trick, but it's also a potential loser. You could try cashing 2 rounds of trump, then attempt to ruff the 4th spade. If the hand with 3 trump has 2 spades, you will go down. There's another way you can play the hand. And of course, 7 spades, 7 makes if hearts split 3-3, or spades split 3-3. West's opening lead implies he alone may be guarding the club suit, the 9 of clubs for the 3rd round. If East holds the guard in spades, quite likely, a double squeeze may develop with the diamond suit as the pivot suit. Draw trump in 3 rounds, cash the King of clubs, kind of a Vienna coup, set up the Queen for the West hand, and now test the spades. West shows out on the 3rd round, so you know that East guards the spades. The situation now is as shown. The recess threat is diamonds. We have 2 threats in the south hand, the 7 of spades and the 9 of clubs, and we lead this at trick 10. We lead the 10 of hearts. And what we have, West is squeezed. He can't pitch the club, so he has to pitch the diamond, the pivot suit. East, likewise, is squeezed. He can't throw the jack of spades, so he has to pitch a diamond. Automatic double squeeze. Now tomorrow we're going to take care of the twin entry recess threat squeeze. No end to the interesting things we do with squeezes. See you tomorrow.